everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host Yashasvi Singh and today we are diving into something super exciting, top UK scholarships. Whether you're dreaming of studying in the UK or just exploring your options, this video is for you. Stick around because I'm sharing some golden tips to help you snag the scholarship. Let's get started. Chevling Scholarship. First up, let's talk about the Chevling Scholarship. This is one of the most prestigious scholarships out there funded by the UK government. It's for master students and covers tuition, living expenses, and even flights. But here's the catch. It's super competitive. You need leadership experience and a clear vision of how you'll contribute to your home country. So if you're a go-getter, this one's for you. Next, we have Rhodes Scholarship. If you're aiming for Oxford, listen up. This scholarship is for postgraduate studies and covers all your fees plus a stipend. But it's not just about academics. They are looking for well-rounded individuals with a passion for making a difference. So if you've got a mix of brains and heart, go for it. Okay guys, this one's important. Listen up. We've got the Amberscholar Scholarship 2025 edition. If you're dreaming of studying in the UK, USA, Ireland or Canada, this one's for you. Picture this, a total of $12,000 up for grabs. Yes, you heard that right. This scholarship is all about empowering students like you to turn their potential into reality. But, and this is a big but, it's not just about grades. No, they're looking for creative, passionate individuals who can showcase their goals through a standout statement of purpose. So if you've got a vision, a dream, and a drive to make it happen, this is your chance to shine. Oh, here's the kicker. Applications are already open. They started on January 24th, so don't wait around. Get your SOP ready, pour your heart into it and apply now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Commonwealth Scholarships. Now let's talk about the Commonwealth Scholarships. These are perfect for students from Commonwealth countries pursuing a master's or PhD. They cover tuition, airfare and even a monthly allowance. The best part? They focus on students who can contribute to sustainable development. So, if you're into research or solving global challenges, this is your chance. Alright, here's a quick bonus. University-specific scholarships. Many UK universities like Cambridge, Oxford and Imperial College London offer their own scholarships. For example, the Gates Cambridge Scholarship is a game changer for postgraduate students. Always check the university website. You might find hidden gems. Top tips. Now, before I wrap up, here are some top tips to boost your chances. Start early. Scholarships have deadlines and you don't want to rush your application. Tailor your application, show how you stand out. Be specific about the goals and achievements. Get stellar recommendations. Choose referees who know you well and can vouch for your potential. Proofread. Typos can cost you. We've all done it. So double check everything. Be authentic. Let your passions shine through. Committees can spot a generic application from a mile away. And that's a wrap. I hope this video gave you some clarity and motivation to go after those scholarships. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on studying abroad. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, dream big and take that first step. See you soon. Bye.